Alright, as the high communities of the National Society we were thinking of holding a nature week. So today we will be deciding what activity is the best to be held on particular day. So what do you guys think?
So, my opinion, I think that we can do a trip at the national park. I said this because in national park there is a lot of activity that we can do. Besides that, in national park also, national park is the place that has space that full with the natural and the beauty of flora and fauna. So I think this place is suitable for the nature week. Besides that, national park also conserve and enhance the natural and cultural heritage of the area. So, in national park, we can do a lot of activity that can make us healthy. Or we can do activity so that people can enjoy the natural of this earth. So, first activity is we can do an outdoor recreation such as canopy walk. Canopy walk is we can across the bridge which we can see a lot of trees beside us. So we can see a lot of beautiful flora and fauna that found in the national park. Second, we also can do a jungle trekking. So we can do a jungle trekking. So that is my opinion at national park.
Okay, for my suggestion, I think we can do a recycling day. Because recycling day we can do many types of activities such as we can do a science project that is made from the recycling products such as bottles, paper. This can enhance the knowledge of the students to brainstorm to do the science project. Next, we can do fashion show because we can do made of dress or clothing out of paper using the students' creativity.
Interesting.
Then after that, I know that many students nowadays are not aware of the environment nowadays. So we can do an awareness for increase the awareness of the students.
In my point of view, I think we have to organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. So the reason why I'm saying that because I believe that in the camping trip in the forest reserve, there will be a lot of beautiful creatures and amazing things that you guys can do during the camping trip. For example, the students will be exploring the reserve forest, and I'm quite certain that the student will be mesmerized with all of the flora and fauna, all of the beautifulness of God's creation, and that we can make them appreciate nature indirectly. Okay, the next thing is there will be a lot of activities out there. For example, they will be doing exploration, jungle trekking, water confidence, and many more. And that activity will create their bond between them stronger. Okay? While they are doing activity, they can look at all the God's creation, all the Allah's creation, and they will be thinking in Surah Rahman that Allah had said that in which favor of Allah would you deny? So I believe that they wouldn't deny that all the blessings are from God, and it's a wonderful creation and it's beautiful. Last but not least, I guess that when they're doing the trip to the camping reserve, all the facilities will will convince them that we should take care of our nature very well, because it's the only thing that we have left. Because people were busy with their buildings and with their technologies, and they forget that nature is a living thing too, that all the people are.
Yes.
Alright? So, and that will encourage the people to appreciate nature more. That's all from me. So I believe that the three of us has delivered our best suggestions for the Nature Week, and we all have our own point of view, and we believe that all the suggestions given are the best for the students.
Yes.
But then we only have one. We could only hold one event, and what event do you think that is the best?
In my point of view, I think that camp in the forest is the best activity that we can do for Nature Week, because we do not spend our one day each other, but we also can appreciate the nature of creation. So I think that camp in the forest is the best activity.
For me, I think camping is the best because the students will be more exposed to the environment, and they will know the flora and the fauna that they never seen before. So I think it's the best among our three suggestions.
In my point of view, of course, my suggestions is the best. That's why I picked them. That's all from us. Thank you.